Let's wish again. Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
This is what we have to do today. Okay. So far, till Saturday. We had a lecture on Saturday, beta. Right, beta? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And as usual, I will ask the question. Did you go through the uploaded video, beta, for the revision purpose? Yes. Am I clear
Yes.
or not? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Then why aren't you answering me promptly? I feel that you're not able to get me, so I keep on asking the same question again and again.
Coming so far.
Okay,
Yes.
so let's talk about now breeze. First, I will explain to you one by one
Ma'am.
what happens during daytime. What happens during daytime, right? Now, this is land and this is sea, right, beta? Yes or no? This is land and this is sea, right, beta? Say something.
Yes.
So during daytime, from the land, from the land gets heated up because of the sun, right, beta? The land gets heated up, right, beta?
Yes.
Yes. So the hot air will go up. Yes or no? When it
Yes.
gets heated up, the hot air will go up. Okay. Now there is a vacuum created. There's nothing, no air. The hot air is gone up. So there is a vacuum. The cold air from the sea rushes in the place. Am I clear? The
Yes.
cold air from the sea will rush to the empty space which has been created by the air which has gone up. Right, because this much is okay? And this
Yes.
cycle keeps on continuing. This cycle keeps on continuing. This cycle keeps on continuing. It goes up and the cold air comes here. It goes up and the cold air comes. This is the
Yes.
daytime. Is there any problem?
No,
Is
ma'am.
there any problem? Okay. Now, during night time, you see over here, night time what happens? You know the liquid, the land cools faster than water. I think you should know that. In night time, the land cools faster than the water. What happens? The water is hot and the land is cold. Right, beta? Night time I'm talking about. So from the water, the hot air goes up. Right, beta? Hello?
Yes.
Yes? And then the cold breeze comes to the space. The cold breeze from the land will come to the space, this space, which has become empty. Is this clear? And the cycle goes, and the cycle goes like this. So in the daytime, the breeze is from water to land. In the night time, the breeze is from water, sorry, land to water. Is it clear? In the daytime, it is water to land. And the night time, it is land to water. Is it clear?
Yes.
So in the daytime, it is sea breeze. At the night time, it is land breeze. Is this clear?
Yes.
What exactly is happening? The hot air rises, right? Because in the daytime, this is day, the hot air rises. And what is happening? The cool air takes its place. That's what I showed you just now. Because there's an empty space over here. The hot water, sorry, not water, the hot air goes up. There's an empty space created. The cold air from the sea rushes in and it takes its place during daytime. Is it clear? So what is this breeze called as? Sea breeze. What is the breeze? Because the breeze is coming from the sea. Right, beta? So it is sea breeze. Now see at the night time. In the night time, from the sea, the warm air rises. Right, beta? The warm air rises from the sea. In the daytime, it rises from here. And in night time, it rises from the sea. Right, beta? Hello, can you see? Can you hear or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
And the cold air from the ground, it takes the place of the vacuum. Is it understandable? Is it understandable, beta?
Yes.
This is how the cycle is created. But you see the temperature difference over here.
Yes.
Show you. The water is 20 degrees Celsius during daytime. The land is 35 degrees Celsius, right, beta? It's the daytime. And at the night time, the land is 11 degrees Celsius and the water is 17 degrees Celsius. I hope you understood the difference now. Land cools faster in during night time as compared to water, right, beta?
Yes.
Yes.
Again, the same thing, we'll do it in different manner. Sea breeze, read beta. Read, I said. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading, I said, beta.
Asalia Zohar Abbas.
Yes, read.
Ma'am.
What happened?
Asalia Zohar Abbas, I can read.
Yes, yes, I said start. That's what I said.
Air moves from the sea during the day.
Air moves from the sea during the day. This is what we have learned. So from where the air is coming, beta? Sea. So what is it? Sea breeze, right, beta? In the daytime, what breeze we get? What breeze we get in the daytime? Say with me.
Yes.
What breeze we get in the daytime?
Sea breeze.
Why? Because from the land, the warm air rises up, right, beta? So we go one by one. On the
Hmm.
land, it is hot, it is cold, right, beta? So hot will rise up, yes or no? And
Yes.
this space will be taken up by the sea breeze, right, beta? Because it is heavy. After it goes up, it takes the water vapor along with it, and then it comes down. It becomes cool, right, beta? and then it comes onto the surface of the water
water.
in the form of rain or in the form of cold air, whatever. You understand? And this is the cycle which follows during the daytime. Is it understandable? Is it understandable, beta?
Yes.
Hello? Again, the same thing, but in a different manner. See, the position of the sea breeze, can you see better? Can you see this? How it is moving from the sea to the land. It is from the sea to the land, right? Read better. Any of you start reading? Beta, when you see the slide, start reading.
The wind blowing from the sea towards the land is called sea breeze. During the daytime, the land in the coastal area gets heated due to the sun's radiation. The sea also gets heated. However, it takes more time to get heated up than the land.
What do you see over here? That from where the wind is blowing, beta? From the sea. And where is it going? Towards the land. So it is called as sea breeze. So what is sea breeze? Sea to land. What do you like? Sea to land. You should not be confused. And it happens during the daytime. Why? Because land gets heated by sun's radiation. Is it understandable? Boys, is it understandable?
Yes.
Yes? But sea is also getting heated. If it is heating the land, it is heating the sea also. The only comparison is that the land gets heated faster than the sea. Is it clear? So land gets heated faster than the sea. That's the difference. You understood now? Did you understand, Vita? Hello?
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
All of you? All of you? It's not
yes,
one or two yeses. All of you I'm talking about.
Yes.
All 16, 17, whoever are available. All of you understood?
Yes.
Now, diagrammatically we'll see the series. What happens? You can see from the land it is moving towards the sea, and from the sea it is moving towards the land. Right, Peter? It's during the daytime. Read.
hence the air above the land gets heated after then the air above the
Answer,
sea.
read properly. Read again.
Hence the air above the land gets heated after then the air above the
Faster,
sea.
Beta. What are you reading? What are you reading, Beta? After eating, what is written? After. What is written after heated, Beta? It is
Faster.
faster. Then why you are reading after? Twice you did the same mistake. If I'm asking you to repeat it again, that means you have done a mistake. But you're not recalling it at all. You should be careful when you read the next time.
Okay. The hot air from the land rises about as it is lighter and the cool air from the sea begin heavier takes its place. This results in the sea breeze.
So we know that in the morning the land gets heated faster than the Air above the sea. We know that already. So what happens? The hot air from the land rises up because it is lighter, and the cool air from the sea rushes to take its place, and the breeze, the movement of the air starts. The movement of air is called as breeze, but the breeze is coming from the sea, so it is called as sea breeze. Any problem? Excuse me. Any problem, beta? Hello? Is there any problem, beta? Hello? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Now sea breeze is over. So can anyone tell me what exactly is happening in the sea breeze? Can anyone tell me what exactly is sea breeze, beta? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Yes. So what is sea breeze? Just define once. Air comes from where to where? Hello? Can you hear me, beta? Hello? Zohair?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Then why aren't you answering?
ma'am.
Yes.
When the
Yes.
air moves from the sea to the land at daytime
Exactly. This is
is
called
called
as
sea breeze.
very good. And opposite, what is land breeze? Now you define land breeze also.
When the uh,
Air
air moves land to sea at
from
night. Now,
from land.
when the air moves water to land at night is called
No, no, no,
land
no.
breeze.
Don't do that. When the air moves from, what do you say? When the air moves from land to water during night
Land to
time.
water is called land breeze. And
Then
sea to
you should not
land
be
is called sea
C
breeze.
two. That's how you should not be confused. Because during night time, air moves from land at night. Right? See the picture? It's night time. Sea is warm, land is cool. Right, beta? Is it clear? So air rises up and it goes towards the land. Yes or no? Hello? Did you understand or not? Air is moving from water, not water, sorry, from land to water. So it becomes land breeze. As soon as it goes up, see what is happening. The air is warm, it goes up. Right, beta? And the air from the land comes over here. Right, beta? So the movement is from land to water. Is it clear? Boys, is it clear?
Yes.
Start reading.
Land breeze. The wind blowing from the land toward the sea is called the land breeze. During the night time, the land in the coastal area gets cooled down faster than the sea.
Read
The
properly.
air above the sea is hotter than the air above the land.
Then,
Breeze.
therefore, read it. No, the last para you have not read it. Therefore, complete the last para.
Therefore, the air above the sea rises, and the air from the land begin cool flows towards the sea. This results in the land breeze.
What is land breeze? From the land towards the sea. It's called the land breeze. So wind is moving from the land towards the sea. When does it happen? Night. When is it happening, beta? Night. So what is actually happening? The land gets cooled faster than the sea. So what happens? Air above the sea is hotter as compared to air above the land. Right, beta? This is what we saw. So what happens? Above the sea, air rises and air from the land flows towards the sea, forming the land breeze. You want to ask me any question, beta? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Did you understand this one? Sea breeze? Yes, beta? There it is. From land to sea. You see that? At night time. From land to sea. Land. This is which breeze, beta? Land breeze. What is this breeze called as? Land breeze. Same thing you can see over here. From land to sea. Right? We have done convection. Now we are going to do radiation. If you want to ask me any question, you can ask. Then only we can start with a new topic. That is radiation. Yes, beta. If you have heard me, answer me, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
I said that we are through conduction and convection. You want to ask me any question?
No.
Things are clear to all of you?
Yeah.
Yes? Now we come to radiation. As the word says, these are made up of rays. Sun radiation, sun rays. Right, beta?
Right.
Read.
Radiation. It is process of transfer of heat in the form of waves. Radiation doesn't require a medium. It can occur in vacuum too. For example, the sun's heat reaches the Earth's surface through radiation. Every hot object radiates some heat into the environment. Hence, many times an object gets heated just by being near to a hot object.
What exactly is radiation? You all know this is transfer of heat. Whether it is conduction, whether it's convection, whether it's radiation. Main is transfer of heat from hot to cold, right, beta? What are we doing? Hot to cold. But in radiation, the transfer is happening in the form of waves. How it is happening, beta? In the form of waves, like this. Like this. This is the transfer of heat. Is it clear? Is it clear, beta? And this radiation does not want any medium because it can happen in vacuum also. What is the meaning of vacuum, beta? Seventh standard. What is the meaning of vacuum? Boys, can you hear me? What is the meaning of vacuum, beta? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
What is the meaning of vacuum? That means there is no air. And in vacuum, you cannot hear any sound because sound needs medium. If there is no medium like air, you cannot hear sound. So people who go in spacecraft, they use sign language to convey the talk, convey the message. You understand that? Because in the space there is no air, it is vacuum. So you cannot, if at all you are talking, you cannot hear. So what is the meaning of vacuum? No air. Okay? Okay? So what is the example? Sun's heat. What is the example, beta? Sun's heat. So how it is reaching the earth? By radiation. We already know that sun radiates energy. There are other objects also which gives us energy. For example, like this. You are burning log of wood, right beta? And this energy is radiates and in the form of waves and you can get the heat. See this? You can get the heat. Right beta? This is also a part of radiation. Any problem? Hello? Hello? Boys, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any problem in this slide?
No.
So we are through conduction, convection, radiation.
Okay.
It's a repetition also, but we can do it again. No problem. Read it.
Radiation is the process by which heat is transferred from one place to another without the help of any medium. Example, the heat from the sun reaches the earth by radiation. When we sit near a fire, we feel warm due to the heat radiated by the fire. All hot bodies radiate heat.
So as we know, radiation is a process. It's a phenomena that heat is transferred from one place to another. How? By rays, and it does not require any medium to travel. So we get it from sun rays as a means of radiation. Now, if you are sitting near a fire, okay, don't you feel warm? Why? Because the heat from the fire is radiated and it is reaching us in the form of waves, so we feel warm. You should always know that any hot bodies, any XYZ, it always radiates energy in the form of heat. Is it clear? Is it clear, beta? Look at the sun. giving heat. Right, beta? And here you can see this. During winter, it is giving radiation and it is reaching the boy in the form of waves. Okay, beta? Hello? Start reading. Hello?
You can feel the sun warm your skin on a sunny day. This is because the energy causes the partic- um, particles in your particles in your skin to move faster. More heat energy.
If you're out on a sunny day, you feel your skin, you feel more warm. Why? The energy which you're getting from the sun is allowing the particles in your skin to move faster because it is getting heated up. And you know that heat causes more energy, more collision, so you get more heat energy. Is it clear? Even you feel warm, you feel more uh, hot. Why? Because of the exchange, because of transfer of heat from the sun to your body. So your body has also become warmer. Now we see the comparison of conduction, convection, and radiation. What is this? What
Conduction.
is this conduction? What is it, beta? Conduction. The rod. You can see this rod? The rod can melt also. The rod can bend also. So you can see this? This was a rod and it became bent. Right, beta? So that is conduction. Now, hot air going up. This is the hot air going up. This is called as convection. What it is called, beta? Convection, as we saw in land breeze and sea breeze. Right, beta? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Yes. So in convection, what we saw? Land breeze and sea breeze. Right, beta? Yes? That is convection. And on the sideways, we get radiation. That is sun. Any problem? Hello? Hello? Beta, can you hear me? Hello? Boys, can you hear me? Hello?
That time is up.
Huh? What happened, beta? What happened? The time is up. Can you hear me? Boys, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, ma'am, your voice is coming.
What had happened in between? It's almost, I think, 1 or 2 minutes. I could not get any sound from you people. So I had to come out. See the picture. This is the handle which is doing the conduction, right, beta? Yes. The warm water going up is called as convection, and the heat which is coming from the source is called radiation, right? These are the flames that they call the radiation. Any problem? Any problem with the so radiation is in gas, convection is in liquid and gas, and conduction is in solid. Has the recording stopped? Can you see this? Hello?